Hi, this is Mahendran Subramanian, the founder of Business Arena 365. Today we have someone very special and very dear to all of us on this 50th episode of my channel, Business Arena 365. Meet the visionary founder of J4E Networking Group, Mr. Vishal Methi ji. Bringing passion and purpose to the professional networking, the man behind the vibrant networking community stands a visionary leader whose passion for fostering meaningful connections has propelled countless entrepreneurs towards success. Let's welcome Vishal Methi ji, the driving force behind J4E Networking Group. How are
Very
you,
good.
sir?
I'm great. What
Nice
about you,
meeting
sir?
you. Great.
Same here. Thank you so much.
So I was looking forward to meet you for many days actually. I was looking for the right time because this will be my 50th video and I wanted you to be on that.
Thank you so much, sir.
So it's an honor for me to have you on my show.
I
On
would
the
say the
50th.
pleasure is from my side. Thanks for
Okay.
inviting me at such a wonderful platform, at such a wonderful place.
Yeah, thank you so much, and there's a lot of support and encouragement that I got from your side and from your platform, J4E. So most of my videos are of your our members.
Our member.
J4E members. So I said this will be the right time for me to have a video of you. So
I would like to thank, first of all, for this initiative because there are very rare people, those who are supporting the startups, MSME selflessly. And your support is helping so many startups and MSME to get a very good visibility. And I am getting lots of kind words for you, the way you are supporting members.
That's very kind
So,
of you.
thank you so much for this opportunity for giving it to the
Yeah.
J4 members.
Thank you so much because your support is very valuable because without that I wouldn't have done my 50 videos.
Thanks.
And so, Vishalji, you started your career as a software consultant, right?
Yeah.
So, how long did you work as a consultant?
Basically, I'm an IT engineer. I did my IT engineering from Nagpur University.
Okay.
And I was in IT for around 8 years. I was a Java developer,
Okay.
and one fine day I thought
You
I'm
have to
not
do it.
born for this field, so switch my entire field.
Okay. So, after that you started on your own, you ventured on your own.
Yes, after leaving my job, I tried many businesses, and then I found that there is a lack of support in the community. Before J4, I tried around more than 8 to 10 businesses,
Oh,
and
really?
unfortunately, I was not able to grow any business.
Yeah, it takes time. You
Yeah.
learn from your failures,
Exactly.
your willpower to make it successful. And today we have a J4E platform.
Yes.
But you work for a very prestigious company, I suppose.
Yeah, I was working in Persistent for more than 2.5 years.
Uh-huh.
And then I was in Sintel also. Sintel is also an MSc
Yeah.
company. And I was in an startup also. Like you are having a team of around 5-6 people.
Okay.
And from that time, I was just always thinking. I started my career from the startup. Since that day, I was thinking I will start my own venture one fine day.
So, finally you succeeded with J4E.
Yes, thanks to all of you.
J4 is a great platform to for all the business community, startups, big, small, MSMEs. So you have a mixed bag of everybody. But when you started, you must have had a lot of challenges
Still going on.
because you started from a scratch.
Yes.
From ground zero, you started.
Yes.
So how was this journey and how did you manage to overcome this? Because I think you are almost how many years maybe in J4?
More than 8.5 years to 9, more than 9 years. You can
Okay,
say.
that's almost a decade.
Almost a decade, yes.
So you have sustained for so many years, almost a decade. So what was the challenge initially? Because you left your job and then you started this.
See, the biggest challenge which I face, or the biggest boost which I got when I started in 2015, and or you can say in the beginning of 2016,
Okay.
there was nothing like networking platform. There was only one platform which was running worldwide,
Okay.
and than starting your own venture. So obviously it was a very big challenge to invite people for a discussion for the startups.
Okay.
And like only 4 or 5 people, 2 3 people were having a discussion, and we used to meet in Magarpata city in Yummy Tummy restaurant. And only 4 or 5 people, 3 4 people, we used to meet and discuss. And it took more than 8 months time to cross to 10 people. And after that again it took some time, maybe 3 4 months, when we had around more than 40 people. So it is very tough, no doubt, to invite people for the discussion. Nowadays the market is too much matured or saturated, but in the beginning it was very tough. But thanks to all of you, thanks to the members, those who are supporting for the cause, and yeah, now J4 is growing.
Growing and well known, well established. Like what we see is a well established organization. Like what hardships you went, that is unseen actually. It's unknown to people.
Yeah, there
हम लोग
were,
देखते हैं कि हम सुबह मिल रहे regularly. We have online meetings, offline meetings. So we enjoy, and we also able to connect with so many people and generate a lot of business also. But what you have started from scratch, it's amazing.
and among them, as you are talking about this, I can recall one more challenge which I am still facing it. I don't know why, but people strongly believe in category clash concept. It is just like that. I am believing that in my area I am the only person who is able to provide this service,
Very true.
and a limited person, a single person, can provide service to a limited people only.
Yeah.
And we want to break that belief that when you collaborate, you win.
Good. Yes.
And in J4E, we do not have a concept of category clash.
Yes, I see
So,
that.
and n number of people are not able to join J4E because of this fear that people are having, other people are having the same category, so they may take my business. And there are people, those who are joining because of collaboration.
Yes.
So I can say that one of the biggest success of J4E is that we are able to break that belief. Category cash helps people to grow. Now people are start talking about collaboration more and more.
Yeah, I've seen that in the forum. Like Vilas Panse is
Vilas
he's collaborating with
Pranjali,
Pranjali, yes.
and in
They
fact
both are the same field actually.
they both are the same field. And in fact Nilesh and Akansha, they both are in the digital media marketing, and they are able to crack the company, those who are among top 10 companies in the world,
Yeah, that's what I've seen.
and they are able to get the business of more than 80 lakh rupees.
Wow. amazing.
छोटी कंपनी छोटे कस्टमर्स को एक्वायर कर सकती है, लेकिन अगर आपको बड़े कस्टमर्स को एक्वायर करना है, देन यू नीड अ टीम, यू नीड अ स्ट्रेंथ,
Yeah.
and it is only possible with the help of collaboration,
Right.
which people are doing as of now in J4E.
Yeah, that's I've seen it because, like somebody said, if you have to walk a long distance, you have to walk with a group.
Exactly.
Otherwise, you're a loner.
That is the only
That's
way.
what I've seen and learned in J4.
Thank you so much.
There's a lot of encouragement between the members.
Yes, I can see the bonding. I have seen that we Indians are too much social. We are always connected with people,
Yeah.
but somehow I don't know why, but we are becoming more nuclear. We are getting more separated. But I can see that in J4E people are connected with each other more emotionally,
Very true, very true. I can see that.
and people are supporting each other a lot.
Yeah.
And that is I would like to say, maybe not on the number, but in terms of culture, we feel that
Yeah.
we are moving towards the success.
That's very rightly said. So I can see that. Because I've been a member for more than 3 years now.
Thank you.
So I've seen a lot of people, we mix and connect, not with the intention of getting business.
Yes.
But once we connect, then somewhere something happens, directly or indirectly, and then definitely business does happen. But what is more important is we are connecting as a
Correct.
person.
मैं अभी आपने जो बताया, मैं उसी के ऊपर एक पॉइंट और कहना चाहूँगा. मैंने देखा है कि जनरली कई बार हम स्टार्टअप्स वगैरह रिलेशनशिप बिल्ड तब करते हैं जब वहाँ पे कुछ पर्पस रहे.
Yes.
मुझे अगर आपसे कुछ काम रहेगा, देन आई विल स्टार्ट बिल्डिंग अ रिलेशनशिप. वो अगर पर्पस मेरा फुलफिल नहीं हो रहा है, आई विल ब्रेक द रिलेशनशिप,
You move.
ठीक है, यू मूव ऑन. बट अ गुड नेटवर्कर ऑलवेज बिल्ड अ स्ट्रॉन्ग रिलेशनशिप एंड देन पर्पस ऑटोमेटिकली कम्स.
Very right.
और वो पर्पस बड़े पर्पस को लेके आता है कई बार. एंड इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल कि हर रिलेशनशिप में पर्पस रहे. इट इज़ ऑलवेज बेटर टू हैव अ फ्रूटफुल एंड ट्रस्टवर्दी रिलेशनशिप.
Very.
बिजनेस हैपन्स ऑटोमेटिकली.
वो तो होता है.
तो वो पर्पस ड्रिवन रिलेशनशिप रहती है, वो ज़्यादा लंबे समय के लिए नहीं रहती है. और मैंने J4E में भी देखा है, कई सारे लोगों को देखा है कि वो लोग सिर्फ पर्पस के कारण फ्रेंडशिप करते हैं और रिलेशनशिप करते हैं, और उनको लगता है कि वो पर्पस फुलफिल नहीं हो रहा है, दे ब्रेक द रिलेशनशिप एंड दैट्स द रीज़न जो लॉन्ग टर्म में फ्रूट्स आना चाहिए,
वो नहीं होता.
they are losing that opportunities.
Losing that opportunity.
So this is one of the common mistakes which I have seen people are doing.
Yes. So, what is a success story like? You have almost sustained yourself for more than 10 decades. Because you have seen a journey, it's a big journey actually. The salary is not a small amount. And then I also see you mentor your members also frequently.
Yes.
You talk to them, you give them tips, you groom them, you try to take them to the next level.
Yes. So, success story, I will tell you couple of success stories about myself also, as well as few stories about J4E members also. जैसे महेंद्र लुनिया जी जो है, तो he keeps telling that कि मुझे जो J4E में जो ट्रेनिंग मिली थी, that has helped me to understand the power of task delegation and team building. And he is always having a gratitude for J4E, and he has received more than a business of around 3 crore rupees only through J4E.
Yes.
फिर जैसे मैंने बताया कि नीलेश और आकांक्षा ने लगभग 40-50 लाख रुपीज़ का बिजनेस मिला है विद द हेल्प ऑफ कोलाब्रेशन. एंड गिरीश केलकर जी है, उन्होंने गालामेट में अटेंड किए थे एंड ही वाज हैविंग अ बडी मीट विद सो मेनी पीपल, एंड उन्होंने एक विजिटर के साथ भी मीटिंग किए थे, एंड दैट विजिटर हैज़ गिवन हिम अ लीड और कनेक्शन और प्रॉस्पेक्ट. उनके थ्रू लगभग 18 लाख का बिजनेस मिला था. श्रद्धा जी जो है, शी इज़ फ्रॉम कोविड इम्पेक्टेड फैमिलीज, एंड उस केस में हम लोग सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंट बहुत कम हो जाता है, बट द वे शी हैज़ बाउंस बैक, इट इज़ आई बिलीव दैट मच बियॉन्ड द फाइनेंशियल सक्सेस स्टोरीज. तो लाइकवाइज देयर आर मेनी सक्सेस स्टोरी. रत्नावली जी जो है, उन्होंने लगभग 21 के ऊपर फ्रेंचाइजी डेवलप करे हैं. And there are many. About me, I would say that one of the biggest achievement for me is like I am able to sustain till now. क्योंकि मैंने बहुत सारे लोगों को देखा है कि लोग आते हैं और चले जाते हैं. And second success story, I would say the way I can see the culture among each other, the culture which we members are creating, the way we all are supporting each other. Like more than 30 members we have covered through J4E.
Yes.
And
Thanks to you.
thanks to you, I would say. आनंद देशपांडे सर, जब मैं परसिस्टेंट में जॉब करता था तो उनके साथ एक फ़ोटो खिंचाना भी मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी उपलब्धि थी. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ J4E I got a chance to meet him, and he is my mentor also. So n number of things are there in J4E.
Yeah. So what is your final say to the viewers? To your members and people non-members too.
सी मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा कि जो स्टार्टअप्स है वो बहुत बड़ा इल्यूजन है. लोगों को लगता है कि यहाँ पे सब कुछ गुड़ी गुड़ी है, एंड जॉब में मेरे पे बहुत ज़्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ रहती है, मुझे बहुत काम करना पड़ता है, एंड सैलरी मेरी मेहनत के हिसाब से नहीं मिलती है. आई वांट टू स्टार्ट माय ओन वेंचर, तो आई विल बी हैविंग माय ओन बॉस एंड आई कैन अर्न लाइक एनीथिंग. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. व्हेन यू आर इन जॉब यू गेट अ फिक्स सैलरी, यू आर लिविंग इन अ कंफर्टेबल लाइफ. आपके फैमिली को उतने चैलेंजेस फेस नहीं करने पड़ते जितने चैलेंजेस स्टार्टअप्स वर्ल्ड में फेस करने पड़ते हैं. तो और स्टार्टअप्स अगर आप कर रहे हो तो वो भी बहुत अच्छी बात है, लेकिन एक कॉमन मिस्टेक्स मैंने देखा है कि हर एक इंसान को लगता है कि मेरा जो स्टार्टअप्स है वो बहुत डिफरेंट है, एंड मैं अपनी कंपनी को मिलियनर या बिलियनर तक के लेवल पे लेके जाऊंगा. But unfortunately, the fact is that more than 95% companies are not able to grow their business. तो यही है कि जो भी कर रहे हो, जॉब कर रहे हो, बिजनेस कर रहे हो, शिद्दत से करो और सक्सेस तो जरूर मिलेगी.
Yeah, very well said. So Vishal ji, what is your advice for startups? How they can become successful?
वंडरफुल क्वेश्चंस आई वुड से. जितना मैंने एक्सपीरियंस किया है, जो सभी स्टार्टअप्स जनरली गलतियाँ करते हैं, आई विल गिव विद एन एग्जांपल. ठीक है. यूजुअली जितने भी स्टार्टअप्स रहते हैं वो अपने थॉट प्रोसेस से अपने बिजनेस को ग्रो करने की कोशिश करते हैं. द बिगेस्ट hurting point for me, because I was also one of them, they don't realize that we are not able to grow the business sufficiently. We believe that कि हम लोग मेहनत कर रहे हैं और हमारा बिजनेस ग्रो होगा एक दिन. मैं भी इसी प्रकार के सोचते रहता था. The day I realized that कि I am not able to grow my business as per my potential, I start taking more advice from the successful people, and I can see lots of changes within myself as well as in the business. अब मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल बताता हूँ कि सपोज दो बच्चे हैं. एक जो बच्चा है जो अपने फ्रेंड्स लोगों के साथ गली क्रिकेट खेलता है 3-4 सालों तक, जैसे हम लोग हमेशा अपने बचपन में खेले हैं, प्लेग्राउंड में जाके, गली में जाके अपने फ्रेंड्स लोगों के साथ खेलना. और उसी का भाई जो है वो अपने एक मेंटर के साथ, अपने कोच के साथ हर रोज उनके साथ क्रिकेट खेल रहा है. ठीक है. आफ्टर 1000 days, व्हाट डू यू थिंक विच पर्सन, मतलब पहला जो बच्चा है वो ज़्यादा सक्सेसफुल रहेगा या दूसरा?
उसने ट्रेनिंग लिया, मेहनत किया, कंसिस्टेंटली मेहनत की.
सेम वे में अब वो बच्चा जब बड़ा हो गया है, सपोज राम बड़ा हो गया है, राम जो है वो अपने मन से अपने तरीके से बिजनेस कर रहा है, उसको जो सही लग रहा है वो कर रहा है. दूसरा उसका जो भाई है श्याम, वो अपने गुरु के साथ, उनके मार्गदर्शक में उस एक बिजनेस को ग्रो कर रहा है. तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक हु विल बी अ बेटर सक्सेसफुल पर्सन?
Sham would be a better person because he's got a guidance, he's got a mentor. उसके ऊपर कोई हाथ है, एक्सपीरियंस हाथ है उसके ऊपर.
तो दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट सिंपल सक्सेसफुल मंत्र. अगर हमको अपने बिजनेस को ग्रो करना है, अगर आप एक लेवल पे बहुत अच्छा ग्रो करते जा रहे हो, अगर आपके पास 100, 200, 500 एम्प्लॉयज़ है, दैन इट इज़ ए गुड ग्रोथ. अगर आपके टर्नओवर कम से कम 2-5 करोड़ के ऊपर है, दैन इट इज़ ए गुड ग्रोथ. लेकिन अगर आप सालों से मेहनत कर रहे हो और आपका बिजनेस 25 लाख 50 लाख भी ग्रो नहीं कर पा रहा है, इट इज़ अ टाइम टू थिंक कि व्हाट आई एम डूइंग एंड व्हाई आई एम नॉट एबल टू ग्रो माई बिजनेस. आइडेंटिफाई द मेंटर, work with your mentor and grow your business. So this is the thing which I can
That's so nice.
share.
What a wonderful advice. Vishal, I think I should have more videos of yours with small tips and your fundas and mantras. Let's do it sometime. We plan and do it.
Thank you so much, sir, and I am really feeling privileged that you have invited for your 50th episode. Wish you all the best.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you so much. God bless you.
It's
Thanks
my
so much.
pleasure and honor.
Thanks a lot.
God bless. Please do like, subscribe, and watch.